out. Got to put the spring in first. Spring in first, hold that up out of the way. This is where you got to be kind of a Houdini. Open it back up. Anybody's got a better way to do this. Okay, you gotta have to see my spring pop loose. There, okay. So I'm gonna let my spring hang there. Hold this in place and bring up the second plate. Okay, so my spring tensioner is in place here. So what I got to do is bring this over the top of the spring tensioner, and it always looks different. You know, when you look at it, when you get the springs, when you get the brake assembly, it looks different than it does now because the spring tensioner is opened up. All right, what I've done here is, in order to get the spring down here, I'm using a small file. I use this for my broadheads. Get that there, let that slide down. It's not working out the way it did the first. Oh, I know why. I'm in the wrong fucking hole. Go figure. Alright, so don't go in the round hole, go in the oblong hole here. You see what I'm doing right there? Trying to get that to slide into that hole. And I think what I did before is I came around this side and did it this way. Come in front, see that? Come in from the inside. Otherwise the spring's not going to line up with the hole. Go down in the hole. Now I use my screwdriver. Kind of push that down in there. Sorry, I got to see what I'm doing too. The spring wants to tension over to the other side. There we go. Alright, so the spring has made it down inside there. I hope you can see it. Okay. Now what I did before, I took my screwdriver and my mallet and knocked it down in there. Still didn't go in there all the way. The casting on the brake assembly is thick, so it's kind of stuck on the side of the casting. Alright, so now it's down in there. We got our brake assembly, our spring on here, and so it looks, this doesn't quite look right. I gotta open this up. What I did before, I was trying to open up my brake assembly, and the spring popped off. So try not to pop your springs off while you're doing this. As you open up the brakes. starting to look like it's chickens having an egg in the backyard, if you guys can hear that. Y'all see what I'm doing here? I'll do it with my other hand. Hitting the brake assembly right there. Alright, so I'm going to go a few more on here. Probably could tap it. I don't like the spring just riding on here. And I'll readjust it once I mean, this is how it is. It just sits on here like that. And I hope that helps somebody. I hope you could see what I was doing here. So anyway, I got it back on there. And they sell these on eTrailer for like 15 bucks. Right here on Amazon, they sell them for like $47. I bought one on eTrailer like a week ago. They said they've mailed it. It hasn't showed up. So now I got 2 spare brakes, and I'm going to start carrying those with me. And I'm going to start carrying 2 spare tires with me too. All right, wish me good hunting. I'm leaving next Monday for a 3-week hunting trip way up north. All right, Tom 365 Outdoors, and I hope you got some benefit out of this. All right, thanks for watching.